Alright, today I'm taking a look at the 150mm digital caliper. So that's actually kind of neat. It's got this like diamond texture on it. Got a little instruction manual. It is in color, so that's nice. A little cleaning cloth. Is that an extra battery, or is that the one that we got to install? Oh, it's actually got one in it. So that means it actually comes with an extra battery. So that's really nice. So even if I use this thing until this thing dies, I'll have another one. I mean, this thing is heavy. So this is a full metal caliper. This isn't a cheap plastic one. So I really like that a lot. Now, it does have this thumb adjustment, which is something that I really like. Some of them, they want you to just kind of press on here to move it around. But with these little wheels on here, I really like these a lot better just because I feel like I can get a much better measurement. It just works better for me. So we've got metric, inches, and fractions. So right now we're on metric. And on inches, it does do thousandths. It actually does half thousandths too. But this is really where this thing is going to be paying for itself for me, because very few calipers actually do fractions. This is one of them, so this one's definitely going in my toolbox. So most of the time, if I was going to be taking a look at this, something that was 3/4 of an inch wide, I would need to take the decimal. It would be about 0.75. Now we need to take that down to a fraction decimal chart and then just kind of figure out exactly what the fraction is for that. So with this one, I can just put that on fraction. That is 3/4. It just makes everything so much easier. And this does have a locking knob. So if I want to measure something where I can't really see it, I can just throw this on here and then tighten that up, pull it off, and I don't have to worry about it moving, so I can see exactly where it was. So that's really handy. The thing that I use this most for, so I've got a bolt. I want to figure out, is this a metric or a standard? Because if I can figure that part out, then finding out the rest of it is a lot easier. So if I measure out the length, yeah, it's right around 20mm. So I'm betting this is metric, but let's just check it on inches. Yeah, 0.79. So this is definitely a metric bolt. And on top of that, I can check the major diameter, 0.192. And 4.87, so I can just cross-reference that and find out exactly what this bolt is. And then just for going around round objects like this, if I try to use like a ruler, I could maybe eyeball it and get it close. But this, because it has this jaw that'll wrap around, just makes it so much easier. Find out exactly what that diameter is. So yeah, great calipers. I love these things, use them all the time. And because this one has fractions, this one's gonna be my primary caliper.